Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Seminole County in east central Oklahoma, southeastern Lincoln County in central Oklahoma, northeastern Pottawatomie County in central Oklahoma, until 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:26 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Prague, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Prague, Johnson, and Centerview. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. The National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Garvin County in southern Oklahoma, Seminole County in east central Oklahoma, northwestern Pontotoc County in east central Oklahoma, southern Pottawatomie County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Hughes County in southeastern Oklahoma, southeastern McLean County in central Oklahoma, until 1:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:27 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 5 miles northwest of Cromwell to 4 miles east of Powley, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Seminole, Wewoka, Stratford, Kanawha, Maud, Powley, Bolegs, Asher, Gwinnett, Cromwell, Byers, St. Louis, Van Nuys, Little, Lima, and Harjo. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Garvin County in southern Oklahoma, west central Pontotoc County in east central Oklahoma, south central Pottawatomie County in central Oklahoma, southeastern McLean County in central Oklahoma, until 1:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:33 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles northeast of Elmore City, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Expected hazards include golf ball-size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pauls Valley, Wynnewood, Stratford, Gwinnett, Katy, Byers, Van Nuys, and White Peak. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Scott County in western Arkansas, northeastern Polk, P-O-L-K, County in western Arkansas, southwestern
How am
Yell
I getting
County in
this so
central
good?
Arkansas, northwestern Montgomery County in western Arkansas until 6:15 p.m. At 5:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles southeast of Beauchamp, or 11 miles south of
Clear
Robin,
outside,
moving
though.
northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail
Dang.
and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cardiff, Gravelly, Muddy Creek Wildlife Management Area, Union Hill, Oleo, Cedar Creek, Y-City, Nola, Meadmore, Harvey, Bowles, Parks, Blue Ball. Here are the latest weather conditions at 5 p.m. at Little Rock.
Alright.
Skies were partly. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Perry County in central Arkansas, southeastern Scott County in western Arkansas, southwestern Yell County in central Arkansas until 7:15 p.m. At 6:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southwest of Gravelly, or 17 miles east of Waldron, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Danville, Ola, Gravelly, Fuchs Valley, Plainview in Yell County, Petit Jean River Wildlife Management Area, Muddy Creek Wildlife Management Area, Corinth, Wing, Oleo, Kingston, Bluffton, Rover, Blue Ball, Sunlight Bay Park, Carter Cove Park, Union Hill, Tula, Macedonia in Yell County, Cedar Creek. Here are the latest weather conditions at 5 p.m. at Little Rock. Skies were partly sunny. The temperature was 78 degrees. At North Little Rock, the temperature was 73, dew point 68, humidity 84. The wind was southeast at 9 miles an hour. The barometer was 29.85 inches and steady. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern.
Those are all the alerts going on right now.
Southeastern Scott County in western Arkansas, southwestern Yell County. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Garland County in central Arkansas, southeastern Montgomery County in western Arkansas until 7:15 p.m. At 6:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles south of Norman, or 12 miles south of Mount Ida, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts at half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Norman, Myers, Avant, Black Springs, Crystal Springs Landing, Sunshine, Royal, Silver, Fancy Hill, Poplar, Perky, Crystal Springs, Hurricane Grove, Caddo Tap, Wallace. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm.
The storms are very large over there.
Southwestern Perry County. The National Weather Service
I
in
still
Little Rock
wonder
has
why I'm
issued a
still
severe
getting it
thunderstorm
far
warning
away.
for western southwestern Newton County in north-central Arkansas.
Why is it because I have that giant antenna for this thing behind my house?
O-P-E. County in central Arkansas until 7:15 p.m. At 6:26 p.m.
I can kind of hear KHB 31 over it, but it's very hard.
Or 11 miles northwest of Clarksville, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Clarksville, Dillon, Woodland, Devil's Knob, Walnut, Bertha, Rosetta, Elk Grove in Johnson County, Catalpa, Fort Douglas, Yale, Fallsville, Crossroad, Swain, Haw Creek Falls Campground, Union City, Work, Mayo, Wolfton Campground, Arba. The National Weather Service in Little
I left for 5 seconds.
The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Stone County in north-central Arkansas, southeastern Searcy County in north-central Arkansas, northwestern Van Buren County in north-central Arkansas, northeastern Pope, P-O-P-E, County in central Arkansas until 7:30 p.m. At 6:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Solo.
And it's on that radio right there that has that red light below the time. Because it's a warning.
Ping-pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fola, K, Rocky Hill, Broomfield, Danby, Solo, Smyrna, Elba, Woolham, Alberta, Was, Imo, Old Lexington, Leslie, Oed, Rupert, Long Pool Campground, Denard, Tilly, Bostonburg. Here are the latest weather conditions at 6 p.m. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a tornado warning for west central Garland County and central Arkansas, southeastern Montgomery
I want to
County
multitask.
and western Arkansas until 7:30 p.m. At 6:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles southeast of Mount Ida, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Royal, Crystal Springs Landing, Crystal Springs, Silver.
Now time to go back to recording mode.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for central Logan County, northwestern Union County, Ohio, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:50 p.m., a large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Russell's Point, moving east at 40 miles an hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Bell Fountain, Russell's Point, Lakeview, Bell Center, West Mansfield, Chippewa Park, Northwood, Rush, Sylvania, Huntsville, Ridgeway, Valley High, Zanesfield, Raymond, New Jerusalem, Byhalia, Broadway, Middleburg, McMorran, Somersville, and Big Springs. To repeat, A large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Here is a hazardous weather outlook. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Perry County and Central Arkansas, Northern Garland County and Central Arkansas, Northwestern Saline County and Central Arkansas, until 8 p.m. At 7:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles west of Lake Washita State Park, or 16 miles east of Mount Ida, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hot Springs Village, Mountain Pine, Jessiaville, Lake Washita State Park, Avant, Lena Landing Recreation Area, Hamilton, Crystal Springs Landing, Mountain Valley, Crystal Springs.
Doubleheader.
The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Perry County and Central Arkansas, Northwestern Saline County and Central Arkansas, South Central Yell County and Central Arkansas, until 8 p.m. At 7:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles south of Plainview in Yell County, or 13 miles south of Danville, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Perryville, Perry, Adona, Williams Junction, Casa, Appleton, Antioch and Perry County, Carter Cove Park, Nimrod, Bayberry, Rover, Long Mountain, Foose Junction, Thornburg, Hollis, Reform, Onyx, Foose Mountain Recreation R, Sunlight Bay Park, Cherry Hill in Perry County. A tornado warning remains in effect until 7:30 p.m.